everyone, today I am giving you some instructions on how to make a swaddling blanket for a baby. For this project you're going to need 1.25 yards of knit fabric, matching thread, pins, pair of scissors, and a sewing machine that can do a zigzag stitch. You might also want ballpoint needles for your sewing machine and a tape measure. I also used a seam gauge for this project. Let's get started. Here's my fabric. I laid it out on the largest table I have. I've taken a cut edge and I've just laid it out, and then I've taken my selvage edge and folded it up to that cut edge there. And then I will cut the fabric right along here, and that'll give me a square. Okay, I now have a square piece of fabric. I'm going to take my seam gauge and my pins, and I'm going to pin the hem. Okay, now what I'm doing is just pinning the hem. So I'm taking the fabric and I'm just folding it over the right side to the wrong side, approximately 1/2 inch. And I'm placing a pin in there about every 3 to 4 inches. Ready to show you a miter corner. So I've pinned 1/2 inch here and 1/2 inch where I was coming down that side for the hem. I take the point and I fold it in 1 inch. The 1 inch should be measured from the point to the edge of the fabric here. Now I'm going to take the fabric and I'll fold it over 1/2 inch. It should come just to the point, and I'll place a pin. Next, I'll fold the other side over, holding it down with my finger, and I'll place a pin. And that's how it will look for a mitered corner. I prefer this finish on these blankets. Now it is time to use our zigzag stitch and sew down the hem. This blanket is ready to swaddle a new little baby.